Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday and I'm so excited that today is the last day of the 12 days of Christmas. I'm kind of sad because it's done, but I'm excited because we did it and we got through all 12 days. So we had so many projects that are great for everybody on your list for Christmas, which I'm going to be using some of these projects for some of my gifts for the holidays, so I'm super excited about that. We had a mug cozy, canvas print with little cute trees on it, a Santa bottle topper that you can put on even like I know a lot of people would put it on wine, but for those of us who don't drink alcohol, you could put it on like olive oils or syrups or something like that. So that's a really good idea. Also, we had a greeting card. You could put like a cute gift card inside of a greeting card. Handmade greeting cards, they're so fabulous. Also, I made the mistletoe sprig and the teapot cozy, as well as the paw print ornament. That was one of my favorite ones just because we have two cats and it just kind of reminded me of like you can't forget about your fur babies in the holidays, so had the little paw print ornaments. And then we had the peppermint garland, which actually is adorned in my house really nicely. I love that as a holiday decoration, and I'm totally a sucker for peppermint candies, especially around the holidays, so it's super cute. And also we did the poinsettia, which I have on the lampshade as a decoration, and then the cute headband that I actually use the headband flowers in our wedding bouquets too. So you can, you know, make the headband or make wedding bouquets or make flowers and just give out flowers. It's such a cute idea. And then we had the mitten gift card holder, which is super cute if you're just giving like a simple gift or don't know who to buy for or what to buy for somebody. Get them a gift card, you know, a gas card, gas station card, or gift card to their favorite store, and stick it in a mitten and hand it to them like that. It's just a cute little idea for decorating it a little bit better. And then also the last one is today's, which is the wreath, which the pattern will be posted up a little later this evening. So those are all the 12 of the 12 days of Christmas, and it was so much fun to share with everybody. So thank you so much for watching all the tutorials and following along with me these first 12 days of December. And I did want to mention that I was probably gonna put all of these 12 days of Christmas videos and patterns, like all the links to them, kind of like a roundup, and put them all in one blog post so that you can just bookmark it and have one-stop shop for all the projects. So I was thinking of putting that together also, and then you can just bookmark it and save it. So that's one of the ideas I had. Also, for the rest of this year, because there's still like what, almost 3 weeks left of this year, I wanted to film hopefully 2 more videos, for sure 1, but possibly 2, and we'll see how far I can get, and so stay tuned for those videos. And for 2019, we have big plans, big things happening in 2019, so make sure to stay tuned for these big announcements that are happening in 2019. I cannot wait to share with you all of our crochet projects that we have going on. And oh, one more thing I did want to mention, that no, I didn't make this sweater. I know a lot of you are going to comment and say, hey, did you make that? Where can I get the pattern? It is a very lovely sweater, but I did buy it at the store on sale on the bargain rack. Hey-o! So I didn't make it. I wish I could say I did. And then lastly, my best friend Sarah is here in town, so I'm gonna go and we're gonna go shopping and go out to lunch and have a good time. So that's all for today. I hope you all have a great WIP Wednesday. Let me know what's on your hooks today. Leave comments of what you're making, and if you're on Facebook, be sure to leave a comment with a photo of your WIPs. Are you crocheting for the holidays? Have you finished all your crochet projects? Let me know what's on your hooks. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day. Until next time, happy hooking!